Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to fly you over 3 parks in Shanghai. The first one is Shanghai Botanical Garden, the one that I'm in right now. Afterward, we will hover above Shanghai Chenshan Botanical Garden, and the third one is Century Park. Now let's fly! First of all, I must mention that Shanghai has many beautiful parks, but the cloudy and foggy weather in this city often limits the opportunities for these beauties to be fully appreciated. The Shanghai Botanical Garden, established in 1974, is the largest municipal botanic garden in China. It has won prizes in the Netherlands and Canada for its impressive plant displays. The Shanghai Chenshan Botanical Garden was opened in 2010 and has since become a popular public attraction. It has 3 stunning glass houses, holds various festivals throughout the year, and includes 26 themed areas. I need to add that we also visited the greenhouses within the garden, which will be featured in another video. You may wonder how this beautiful waterfall was created in this park. In fact, Chenshan Hill served as an excavation site for 30 years, starting in the 1950s. During this time, 2 major pits were dug, as stone was extracted for construction purposes elsewhere. In the transformation of the garden, the large pit on the southwest corner of the hill was turned into the quarry garden. Century Park is the largest park in the city of Shanghai. It was constructed over a period of 4 years, from 1996 to 2000. and completed at the dawn of the new century. The park is often referred to as Holiday Park due to its blend of modern amenities and natural landscapes. It offers numerous facilities catering to tourists and visitors. I hope you also enjoy the images captured from above like I do. And I have to say, I plan to publish more videos of natural landscapes with drone footage on my channel. So goodbye for now and see you later.